the wage, W naira, of a person who works hours of overtime is given by the formula W equals to 200 R plus 10,500. A. Make R the subject of this formula. B. Hence, find the number of hours of overtime worked by someone whose total wage is 12,900 naira. Solution. Now, the first part of the problem, the first thing to do is to write out the given formula. W equals to 200 R plus 10,500. Now, we asked to make R the subject of the formula. So for us to make R the subject of the formula, we ensure that a term with R is either at the left-hand side or at the right-hand side only. So it means that any other term with that particular term with R must be moved from that side, from one side to another side, just to create a balance. So in that case, let's move 10,500 to the left-hand side so that 200R will remain at the right-hand side. So W minus 10,500 equals to 200R. Now, we want to make R the subject. And the coefficient of R is not 1 now, it's 200. So it means that we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of R, which is 200. Let's do that. W minus 10,500 divided by 200 equals to 200R divided by 200. So 200 here 1, 200 here 1. So it means that R equals to W minus 10,500 divided by 200. That is the solution to the first part of the question. Now let's solve for B. Hence, find the number of hours of overtime worked by someone whose total wage is 12,900. Now the first thing we need to know is this. We should know that the wage is denoted by what? W. And the number of hours is what? Is R. So from the question, we are given W to be equal to what? 12,900. That's 12,900 naira. Now, we want to find what? We want to solve for the value of R, because that is number of hours. So what we are going to do is this. We are going to use the result of the first part of this problem to solve for R. Now, what do we have from here? We have R to be equals to W minus 10,500 divided by 200. Now, since W equals to 12,900, R will be equals to what? Anywhere we see W, we put what? 12,900. So we have 12,900 minus 10,500 divided by 200. Now, 12,900 minus 10,500. What do we give us? This one is going to give us 12,000 minus 10,000 normally will give us 2,000. So this will give us 2,400. Then we have 2,400 divided by 200. Now for this 2 0 will cancel out. 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So R equals to 12 hours. So it means that if the total wage is 12,900, then the number of hour works, the number of overtime hours worked is going to be what? 12 hours. That is the solution of the problem. Thank you.